Hi guys, we're at lesson 161. Lesson 161. And you're going to need page 325. Now, I know we've been working with division. And you will be, maybe, using it on this page. But what you're going to be doing is this is kind of like a review of word problems, which I know are really tough sometimes, and we think, what am I doing? Am I adding? Should I subtract? Should I multiply now that multiplication is in here and we've learned that? Or should I divide now that I'm learning about division? This page is all about problem solving and determining which operation to use. And what I mean when I say operation is you need to figure out, is this a story problem where I need to add the two numbers? Are they wanting to know what two things I have put together equal? Remember, if you're adding, they want to know how many you have all together. They might not use that word all together, but they're giving you two or more things and they want to know how many you have in all, okay? Or am I subtracting? Did they give me something and somebody took some of it and they want to know how many I have left? Or did they give me a number? Maybe they gave me like red roses and yellow roses and they told me how many I had all together and how many red roses, and they want to know how many yellow I have. So you're going to have to subtract those red ones to find out how many are left over, right? So are you going to add? Are you going to subtract? Are you going to multiply? Maybe you have to multiply. Maybe they gave you like a number, like 4 bags of balloons, and they tell you how many are in each bag, where you're going to multiply the number of bags times how many are in each one, okay? Or maybe you have to divide. Like last lesson, when the chief had 15 workers and he wanted to split them up into 3 different teams, you had to divide them, didn't you? You had to draw your 3 different teams, didn't you? And you had to divide that number and put 1 in each one and go back and put 1 more until you got that number they gave you. So I want you to really try these story problems and find out if you are going to add, subtract, multiply, or divide. Look at the words they give you, and the big part is picture it. Picture it. If you can't seem to picture it right, then maybe you're using the wrong operation. Okay? Really sit down and think about it for a minute, how you're going to solve this, okay? And they also might have you picture it in this way. They have it down here. Now, on the back, they drew the pictures for you, but you just have to complete the sentence. It's kind of like our division review, okay? How many are on each tray? How many are on each set? How many cookies? Or cupcakes, I'm sorry. So this is like a big review of using different operations, adding, subtracting, multiplying, and dividing, okay? It's kind of like a review from a whole year of 2nd grade. Here it is on this page for story problems. This is your 2nd grade story problem review, okay? So take your time, okay? You'll do good. And then at the bottom, they are having you reviewing fractions, which I was grading your papers and you guys did so good at fractions. I am so proud of you. So keep up the good work. Review this for your division, okay? And so I have this lesson as a Friday, and then we were supposed to, that was it for the week. But we do kind of have to do our test over this chapter just to make sure we kind of have the basis of division down. So you will be doing your test over this chapter. So I actually don't have a copy of the test here. I thought I did. That's not it. So whenever you finish up, feel free to do that test. Remember, all your work has to be handed in by the 22nd. If you have any questions, please let me know. All right. I will see you guys later, I guess. This might be my last video. I'll have to pop in, text, call before the end of summer. But you'll hear from me. Don't worry. I'll see you later. Goodbye.